Hello, good evening, all. Today I'm here to cover the important concepts or the important topic of class 10 ICSE syllabus. Please make a note. So, the important chapters that you need to cover are mole concept. Mole concept covers mole concept in stoichiometry, which covers around 10 to 12 marks. Secondly, you have organic chemistry, which covers around 8 to 10 marks. Next, you have acids, bases, and salts, which covers around 8 to 10 marks. Next, you have is electrolysis of acidified water. This covers around 8 to 10 marks again. Next is chemical bonding. Chemical bonding weightage is around again 6 to 10 marks. Do cover this. After this, you have metallurgy. Metallurgy covers around 6 to 8 marks. And after that, you have study of compounds, when you learn all the IUPAC numbers and all, right? So cover all these way according to the marks, so that you focus mainly on these chapters. Now, how can the questions be asked? That is very important. See, when you are learning, for example, say periodic table, learn the atomic learn the elements from at least 1 to 30. Their properties, their atomic numbers, their electronic configurations. What is the valency? What is the valence electron? These all you need to learn, right? Like ionization energy and all. Next you learn is how to balance an equation. Definitely one or two questions will be asked on balancing the equation, balancing of redox reactions, finding out which is oxidizing agent and which is the reducing agent. Then how do you identify the reaction types? There are so many types, 4 types basically. Among them, the most preferred concepts or questions are decomposition and displacement questions. The next is pH applications questions, the indicators and all, right? Then when you come down to periodic table, learn all the ionization energy and all. Next, learn about alloys. Alloys, their composition. Like for example, duralim. This mainly consists of aluminium, right? Then learn the definitions. Learn their compound names. Next, learn the laboratory preparation of especially like methane, ammonia. When you are learning all these preparations, see that you learn the whole diagram. What are the observations? What are the conclusions? What are the reactants? Or if you are seeing any kind of indicators or any kind of important things, just cover those. And coming last concept is the IUPAC nomenclature. That is, they may either give you the compound name and ask you to find out the structure, or they may give you structure and ask you to find out the name. So these are the important questions covered in chemistry class 10 ICSE. Thank you all. Please do go through all these questions. All the best, children.